Crypto bridges. What are they? Why we need them? And how do you use them? Hi, my name is Lamia, and in this video I'm going to explain everything you need to know about crypto bridges. We'll cover how they work, explore the different types of bridges, discuss their benefits, and I'll guide you through a quick tutorial on using them. Stay till the end for essential tips on avoiding common mistakes with crypto bridges to maximize your gains. Let me start with a quick story to set the stage. Back in 2009, when Bitcoin launched, it was the only blockchain pioneering decentralized digital money. In 2015, Ethereum introduced smart contracts, enabling developers to build decentralized applications, aka dApps. Fast forward to today, we have hundreds of blockchains with unique features like Binance Smart Chain, Solana, Polygon, Tron, and many others. This innovation is great, but also presents a challenge. How do we move assets across these blockchains? That's where crypto bridges come in. What is a crypto bridge and why do we need them? A crypto bridge allows you to transfer digital assets like tokens from one blockchain to another, connecting different networks. Think of it as a bridge that lets you move assets between isolated blockchain islands, enabling interoperability. So, what is interoperability? It's the key concept that refers to the ability of different blockchains networks to communicate and work together seamlessly. Without interoperability, each blockchain operates independently, making it difficult to transfer assets and information between them. Imagine you have some ETH on your Ethereum network, but you want to use a decentralized exchange like PancakeSwap, which only exists on a Binance Smart Chain. Since Ethereum and BSC are two separate blockchains that don't naturally interact with each other, you can't directly use your ETH on a Binance chain. This is where a crypto bridge comes in. It converts your ETH into wrapped ETH that works on the Binance network by locking your original ETH on the Ethereum and creating an equivalent amount on BSC, ensuring that the total supply remains consistent. This way, you can seamlessly use your assets across different blockchains without any direct compatibility issues. Why use a crypto bridge? Here are some key reasons. Low fees. Some blockchains offer cheaper transaction fee, access to dApps. Some dApps are only available on specific networks. Or another reason, which is earning opportunities, unlock yield farming and staking option not available on your current chain. Now, type of crypto bridges. There are different types of bridges to consider. Native bridges built by the blockchain's developers. These are the safest option for specific transactions. Example, the Polygon bridges for Ethereum to Polygon transfer. MetaMask in-dApp bridge, convenient for MetaMask users, but may have slightly higher fees. And last one, third-party bridges offer flexibility and support more tokens, but come with increased security risk. Popular examples include multi-chain, great for cross-chain transfers, Synapse protocol, known for speed and low fees, Binance Bridge, best for assets to and from Binance Smart Chain. Now, let's get hands-on and see how to use a crypto bridge by guiding you through a step-by-step tutorial on bridging your tokens using a platform like multichain.org. Here are the steps. First, go to the platform and connect your wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Select your network, choose the network you're sending token from, like Ethereum, and the destination network like Binance Smart Chain. Next, choose the token. Select the specific token you want to bridge, input the amount you want to transfer, confirm the transaction, click on the bridge or transfer and confirm the transactions in your wallet. Wait for confirmation. The transaction may take few minutes, so be patient, and once it's completed, your token will appear in your wallet on the destination chain. Now, as promised, here are the risk and security tips. Crypto bridges have vulnerabilities and have been targeted by hackers. For example, the Ronin network was hacked in 2022, losing 635 million, while the Wormhole bridge saw a 370 million loss. Using native bridges developed by blockchain-owned team is generally the safest choice. Despite the risks, crypto bridges are essential for connecting blockchains, enabling new DeFi, NFT, and other blockchain-based opportunities. Now, as promised, here are the essential tips to help you use crypto bridges safely. Always use official links and websites to protect your funds from scams and phishing attacks. Choose native bridges whenever possible. Double check network addresses to avoid errors and monitor gas fees to prevent excessive costs. Start with small amounts when trying new transfers. Research third parties bridges for security and stay updated on news that could impact your transactions. Let me know in the comment below if you've used a crypto bridges and how your experience was. Don't forget to like, subscribe and follow us for more crypto insights. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.